Hi, I'm very excited to open this. I purchased this. This is not an ad. This is not sponsored. This is just me geeking out because there is a creator I follow on Instagram called ThinkNu that always posts really fun product, and a lot of it is Yu-Gi-Oh related. And I feel like every time that I try to get said product, it's sold out. So you can imagine my sheer delight when not long after the new year was his birthday, apparently, because he had a little sale, and sure enough, something I've been eyeballing, two somethings actually, that I've been eyeballing for a long time, were finally back in stock, and now we're gonna see them. Okay, so we're gonna cut this tape, and then I'm gonna show you the things that you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I hope they're not sold out when I go look, because that's how I felt every time I went to his website. So first off, aw, cute! Thank you for the support. You're welcome. My pleasure. I'm so excited to finally be getting these. Okay, the first item. I'm gonna wear this all the time, and I did get a sticker of this that I have on my. I shouldn't tell you where it is, but I have a sticker of it, and it brings me joy every time I see it. And anyway, I'm so excited to wear this. Dual Pro Shops. You guys have probably seen the Magikarp Pro Shops, and my husband actually got one for Christmas, which he slyly slid my way because he doesn't wear hats. Shh, don't tell his brother. But anyway, when I saw the Dual Pro Shops hat was finally back in stock, I had to snag one right away. But that's not all. Also, there is this. Joining my Yu-Gi-Oh plushie collection, we have a chibi angry small blue eyes white dragon. Oh my gosh, I love him so much already. I must free you from the plastic. Scissors, need you. So yes, he makes these adorable little blue eyes chibi plushies. Oh, he's so angry. Look at his little wings. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. Anyway, I just had to share that with you. Rabina, I'm gonna eat you. You can certainly try. I banished myself. He's so mad. Sorry, I'm okay. Everything's great. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you because I was so excited about these. That's all. I don't know if he has stuff still up or not, but in case you didn't know these exist, now you do. I'm sorry, but also I'm not sorry. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.